Gross specimen of the reversible injury. First is the fatty changes, in which consisting of an accumulation of the droplets of triglyceride and neutral fat in the various solid organ, most commonly seen in the liver, which is due to in the alcoholic patients, and fatty changes may also occur in the other organs such as the heart, muscles, and kidney. This is the gross specimen of the fatty changes of liver, in which specimen is enlarged and margins are rounded. Cut surface shows the bulging and yellowish discoloration with greasy and with smooth capsule. This is the specimen which is present in our museum and will be asked in the exam to identify and describe this specimen, in which this is a specimen of piece of liver which is the pale yellow in color. Cut surface is yellow, greasy, and contain the smooth capsule. Second is myxoid changes. In myxoid changes, connective tissue are replaced by the gelatinous or myxoid substance. This is the pictures of mitral valve polyps, in which myxoid changes in the mitral valve. Myxoid changes is also seen in the ganglionic cyst of the wrist and cystic fibrosis of the pancreas and mucin secreting tumors. Third is the hydrophic degeneration. In hydrophic degeneration, there is accumulation of water in the cell cytoplasm. It is the first manifestation of almost all form of the cell injury. In the gross examination, organ is increased in size, edges are rounded, and cut surface shows the bulging of tissue, wet and heavy. In hyaline degeneration, connective tissue are replaced by the homogeneous translucent material. This is the specimen of hyaline degeneration. Hyaline degeneration of uterus fibroid. This arrow shows the homogeneous pale and waxy soft hyaline degeneration. Hyaline degeneration can be seen in the collagen of the old fibrous tissue, smooth muscle of arterioles, or in the uterus. This is a specimen of the pigment of skin, in which soft tissue mass with the skin brownish black color pigment showing the irregular pigmented area in the skin. Now calcification. This is the specimen of calcification, in which arrow shows the calcified area in the tissue. Microscopy of reversible cell injury. First is the fatty degeneration. In fatty degeneration, there is microvascular and macrovascular area. In the microvascular, small fat vacuoles around the nucleus, and in the macrovascular, the vacuoles coalesce to create the clear space that displaces the nucleus toward the periphery. Both microvascular and macrovascular are seen in the image with the arrow. Now myxoid changes. Myxoid changes look more bluish or purple compared to the normal connective tissue. In this microscopic image, left corner shows the myxoid material, and in the right corner there is a normal connective tissue. Third is the hydrophic degeneration. This is the microscopic image of hydrophic degeneration in the kidney. Yellow area shows the tubular epithelial cells with the hydrophic changes, which are swollen, deformed and pale, and the black area shows normal appearing tubular epithelial cells. Now hyaline degeneration. Hyaline degeneration shows homogeneous glassy pink appearance. In this microscopic image, left corner shows the hyaline degeneration, which is homogeneous and glassy pink in appearance. This microscopic image shows the melanin pigment in the skin. This is the microscopic image of hemosiderin pigment in the liver. This is the microscopic image of coronary artery, which shows the calcification, which is bluish in color.